Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to delete data from database in Laravel 8. So let's get started with it. So in the previous video we had made this edit and update system. So when you click update, you will get the message and the data will be updated. So now we are going to make this delete button. So how it is going to work? We need to delete the data when we click on that delete button. So let's start with the coding for that. So this is the web.php. So all the routes is over here. So let us start with the creating the route. I'll create route get, and here we need to pass the URL. So first we will go to this page and we will put the URL inside this button. So here it is, just click on this and you will get this page, index page, save. Or if you want to go to this directory, you can go to your resources, just open resources, views, and it will be in the outer directory. If you have given any path, you can just open that folder and you will get it from there. So I am in this index.blade.php file. So here for this delete button, I am going to give another URL. Similarly we did for the edit part. Say edit URL of delete slash concatenate it with the student ID. Copy that and paste. Okay, just copy this thing and go to your routes, paste it over here, slash, will be passing an ID over here, right? So say ID comma front end controller at, what we are going to say, let's say remove. Okay, copy that and click on this. So we'll create a function over here, function, I'll paste it here, and here we are passing the ID. Okay, so $ID, create an object or a variable, say student model, find the ID which has been passed in that function. Here you can see $ID, right? So just pass that over here, find the record with this ID and give the same thing $students of delete. Okay, oops, yeah, delete method. So after deleting we need to return and redirect to the home page. So the URL is this, just a slash, and we are going to set a message over here with single quote status comma your message over here, say data deleted successfully. Okay, so this should work guys. So let us test it. So refresh, and when I click on this delete button, this ID number 2, this whole row should get deleted. Let us check. You can see data deleted successfully, the data is deleted from the table. So thank you for watching this video guys. In this video we have seen how to delete the data from database. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.